How to search by date on TikTok. That's what I will show you in this video. But before we begin, make sure to subscribe to the channel and ring the bell to get notified whenever a new video is uploaded. With that said, let's get started. Now the process is very easy and simple, so just follow these steps. Go ahead and open up TikTok, and once you do that, just click on the search icon at the top right corner of your screen. Let me just do a quick random search right here. Now once you do that, you will see that on this page there's a three dots at the top right corner of your screen. Click on them, and from the given list click on filters. Now there are two ways that you can use to search by date on TikTok. The first one, as you can see here, the first section, it says sort by, and it has an option that says date posted. When you choose this option, you will get the videos from your search that are in newest to oldest order. So the new videos will be first, and they'll keep going down to the oldest ones. Now, as you can see right here, this has been posted 1 day ago, 6 days ago, 1 week ago, 1 week ago, etc. It'll keep going older and older. Now, the second option is to search by, as you can see, the third section, it says date posted, and this will give you the videos um, based on the date range that you choose. So for example, you can choose past 24 hours, this week, this month, last 3 months, and last 6 months, depending on what you want. So you can choose this month, and you can also use it in combination with the first filter that we used, which is the date posted, which will give you the search results of this month that are from newest to oldest. It's that easy and simple. So you can really play around with it depending on your needs. So that was it for this video. That's how you can search by date on TikTok. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comment section down below. With that said, see you in the next video.